In this video, I'll show you how to navigate your Docusign Esignature account step by step so you can manage documents more efficiently and confidently. Start by logging into your Docusign account and landing on the main dashboard, which acts as your central workspace. Here, you'll see quick access to recent activity and options to send or manage documents. Next, explore the Agreements section where all your documents are stored, including drafts, sent, completed, and pending files. Use filters and search to quickly find what you need. Then move to the Templates tab, which is useful for creating reusable documents and saving time on repetitive tasks. After that, check the Reports section if available, where you can track document activity and performance insights. Finally, if you have admin access, visit the admin panel to manage users, permissions, and account settings. Always take a few minutes to explore each section so you can fully understand how your account works. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.